What's going on, Mixonites? I'm Nathen Mixon and we here with Scotty B, and today we're going to be doing a weighted chain lateral raise, or a good morning if you want to call it that. But the first things first, we're going to distribute that weight. That's going to make things a lot easier for us and we won't be feeling off balance. What you're going to do now is going to extend your arms lateral to your sides to the point where your arms are parallel to the ground. Alright, and once you relax here and hinge at the hips, engaging the core, this is going to help you maintain a flat back so you don't bow it. Alright, from there you're going to raise yourself up, extending your back, working that thoracic lumbar, that lower back, also the core too as well. This is going to be great for your back, including your shoulders too as well. This is a full body workout like most of my exercises, and you're going to do 4 sets, 15 repetitions. This will not be easy, but you'll make it look easy if you follow these steps. All right, slow and control, it will be the motivator here. Make sure you go slow on the descent and you explode up, maintaining balance. All right, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the push notifications. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below and also check out my latest video, because we're not done here, y'all. We have a ton of more videos on the way, and we have some right here, so make sure you click on one of these boxes here and I will be flexing with you later. And I need to do workouts like these. What have I been missing out on? I need to start doing these type of workouts. Anyway, I'll flex with you in the next one. Peace.